Welcome guys, welcome. Why is this happening? That was not my intention. Just to see if it works. Yeah, it is recording. Okay. I'm gonna do something very useful for you guys. How to make a bucket server up to 1.6.1. I will not be showing you how to put 1.6.1 because I can't play online with 1.6.1 because of my Minecraft launcher. I don't know why that is, but it's just pretty annoying. All you gotta use for this is Notepad, some information that you should have laying around, and internet. Just like that. You're gonna download, just gonna go here, the rest of it will be in the description, by the way, everything will be there. You can download the Craft Bucket recommended build as I have right here, or you can download the 1.6.1, doesn't really matter at all which you take. If you download it, drag it onto a new map. You can just put just make a new map anywhere you like, and then copy this right here, Control C, and then just put it in right here. You can just turn this to false if you want people that didn't buy them a game want to join. Disable, just put this to false, and I will show you in my other video that I've already made how to play Minecraft Vanilla and Bucket without buying Minecraft Premium. So now you can head back to the map, your new folder. As you can see, it will open craftbucket.jar. This is not called Craft Bucket, so we have to rename it to only Craft Bucket. Enter, just like that. Now you're gonna do save this into to just create a folder, just like that, and all files. Everything you would like doesn't really matter, but you have to save it as a .bat. Just press enter. It will show up right here, and you can just open it up. Very basic, very easy, and it will just load all the files. What you might actually want to do, if you would like that, you can make a copy of this to your desktop, and actually just rename it whatever you want, doesn't really matter. And then just go into I don't know what it was in English, but it doesn't matter. Other pictogram. Okay, just head into where you have your Minecraft standing and just press on that. It will load this icon, and it will just press apply. Okay, it will have the same thing as I did right here. You can just have the same icon like that, and it's done. Just gonna show you for a second that you can connect already. What? Nobody can connect right now, and it's like very useful from the new launch. You can select which version of Minecraft you want to play, and as you see here, with 1.6.1 I can only play offline. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna play 1.5.2 then, but this will work on 1.6.1. It's very basic. Everybody should be able to do this. Open Minecraft, thank you. You can close, and at multiplayer I can delete this. And just add a server and just put in local host, because you are now hosting the server on your own PC, so you can just put in localhost and it will connect to the server that you just made. It's very easy, but that is just like, yeah, what we want. You want to have people connect to it. So the server, that is what we are going to do in a second. So all you gotta do now is just connect for a second and press the button. It doesn't really just stop the server for a second and head over to home. Put in cmd, shift enter, and just gonna close this and put in ipconfig. As you can see now, you have your standard gateway and your IP4 address. You will be needing both. First, your IP4 address. With me, it is just write this, and you can just copy it, but I know it by heart, so I can just put it in. You have to go to server the properties. You can double click it if you have Notepad++ like I have. If not, you have to right click, open with Notepad. So 1.9 to 192.168.0.104, that is mine. I already have a server with this port, so I'm just gonna change this to 6. And if you have 24565, you can you don't have to change the port or put a port at the end of the server IP, because because 24565 is the standard port. So yeah, I'll just show you in a second. When I this, you want to copy this if that is easy for you. Just gonna copy it. I don't want to type it every time. Control C, and you can just change everything you want. But I'll just show you this for a second, and then save this. Head over to your browser and put in your standard gateway number. I have already got it. This is my. You have to log in into your router. The standard settings will be admin as username, and password are also admin. If that is not the case for you, you have to ask your parents or contact your router, because it should be there. I have to go to firewall. It might be somewhere else for you, but just go to firewall, port forward, put in the IP address that you just put in your server, so just your own IP. Put in the server address you just made, the port you just used, because that should be right here, 25566, like I am putting in right now. And you should, if you can't select by protocol both, you have to make one with TCP and one with UDP with these both settings. But I can just press both. If you can't, I'm sorry for that, but you have to do them both separately. So just press apply, and it should be here, right here. You can add a comment, but doesn't really need to. Then press on Minecraft again. You can just close this. This will also be in the description. See, you can download all the builds, so that's very easy. I'll be doing videos about just maybe mod reviewing, plugin reviewing, how to put them in, and things like that. If you want to see that, just say it in the comments, and I will do it. And just head over to play again. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, here it is. And all you gotta do now is just, you know that this can actually go when it was really fast. You have to remember this 192. It's different for you, but I this and the 25566. So yeah, go to multiplayer. I'm just gonna edit this. Localhost isn't really needed. Just put in the server that you just made. I copied it, and then you have to do this. Then the port you set up for it, and then press done and refresh. And I did something wrong. Yeah, wait, I know why. The server is off. Really useful. Just open it up again. I saved this. By the way, just wait for it to start. Here we go. Refresh it. There you go. You are now connected to your portfolio server. If you want to copy, it's really, you have to buy a website with the name you want, and then just connect those two and stuff like that. It's like a custom DNS. So if you can also go to notep.com, you can put in your own name, like and then you select something like .notip.com, things like that. But there you go. So your own IP isn't really shown. I don't care about that. Here you go. Your server, if they can connect, I'm gonna quit out because it fucked up the recording system last time. So yeah, I can't host the server and record and those things together. So I'm gonna edit that. And here you go. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, just check out my other videos, like the video how to get Angry Birds Space for free, and how to play Minecraft without buying Minecraft pieces. See you next time. Hope you liked it. If you have some problems or something like that, I will be really happy to help. So just leave something in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Adios.